High school isn't all like High School Musical where there's all love in the air. While some people are worrying about what dress to wear to prom, some others are being bullied for who they are. Queer and faggots were common taunts back in the 1960s, just as they often are today. If one were going to school on Thursdays, then one was surely queer and everyone mercilessly harassed the person. I avoided going on Thursdays, recounts Ronnie Solo, director of the University of California at Los Angeles LGBT Campus Resource Center. These are problems gays, lesbians, bisexual, transgender individuals have to face years ago as well as today. Especially in high school, where students are uneducated, often judgmental, and where bullies exist in every corner. LGBT teenagers face stigma, discrimination, hate-based violence, and prejudice every day in school. It's our duty to make sure that they have healthy emotional growth. These are individuals should not be victims of discrimination for being who they are. To support LGBT individuals where they are at their most important stage of personal growth and educate all other students on this topic is how we start to change.